Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to download and install shapr3d app Windows 11 for free. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Microsoft Store. So Google has a Google Play Store and Microsoft has a Microsoft Store. This is a Microsoft Store. You can download different kind of application. So now I just want to download a shapr3d application. So I just type there on the top shapr3d. So once I type means automatically it will give a different kind of application will be displayed on my laptop. So I can choose and I can have access. So shapr3d is an application for the productivity to sketch your models and you can make as a 3D model. So as you see the realistical image and visualizing images in this screen, so that it will be sketch model mastered hours, it will be move like this kind of a real visualizations. So you can move and make a reality, and what is the difference between that and this will be there. So you can easily download and have access. It is a free version for Windows 11, so you can use and have access while you want to make your product should be in a 3D model. So just click a get option. It will be download in your laptop with a freeware. So make your different design flow with the shapr3d from sketch to product 3D model and realistical preview within the same less workflow. So my software is going to download. So this is my application, totally 1.1 GB file. So it will be in a quite heavy file. So just wait for a minute. Automatically your application will be download. Automatically it will install in your laptop itself. So you don't worry about the things. Once installed, you can have access with the shapr3d. Yes, my application is downloaded successfully and it's installed. I just want to open this application. So it will be open like a basic model of a workflow. So as you see here, so you can have an engineering method, you can make your design. So I just full screen this one, so you can learn basic or log in with your things. I just click here for the learn basic things, so I can have an entire access with that to know about how the flow, how the drawing it will be moved into 3D models. So try this application. This is a beautiful application. So with the freeware in Windows 11, so you can download and have access, means you will get a lot of knowledge in 3D. So you can visualize and you can have access. Yes, as you see here, so I can choose a modeling setup with a pen tool and mouse or vacuum tab. So I can choose and I can have access with it to draw and all kind of designs. So this is what, so if you want to create a bottle, if you want to make a 3D animations, you can have access with that. So it is a beautiful option, you know. So you can have access with this application to deliver your entire cases. For example, I just want to move anywhere else, I can drag and drop the click. So press the middle mouse, drag and press a mouse shift key to move forward and redo your continue work for your things. So if you like this tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.